What if you can stream to YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media platforms at the same time directly from OBS? Most people use services like Restream, Streamlabs, Streamlabs, or YOLO Live to multi-stream, and they are very good, no doubt, but they cost money. But do you know OBS can multi-stream just like vMix for free? In today's video, I'll show you how to install the multistream plugin, add your platform, and multistream in OBS. My name is Joseph Olasukomi. This is Extensive. Alright, so this is my OBS, so I'm just going to minimize this to download the plugin we need, the Aitum Multistream plugin. As first, we go to the official website for OBS, obsproject.com, go to forum, go to the plugins, and then in the home page here, you should see Aitum Multistream down here. If you don't see it here, I'm going to put it in the description below, so you can also download this from the description. But just know that the more the OBS updates, the more they update their plugins also. This is for OBS 32 right now. So once you go to download, you see it downloading. It's only going to take some time to download, and then you can download for Mac here, you can download for Linux here. It's automatically download, and once you download it, you can launch it just like you launch any other software. Just click on it and it's going to open. I'm going to minimize this, click on next, install everything, next, yes, install. If your OBS is open, it will ask automatically close OBS, so we close OBS so it can install the plugin. Once it's done, click on finish, and then once it's opened, your OBS might look like this. Don't mind the whole thing. I think OBS updated with the Aitum plugins and the rest. It looks pretty cool to me. I don't know about you though. So the moment you press live over here, you're going to see the whole board of OBS multi-streaming live. Then if you want to multi-stream, you go to the output over here. You see the settings clock icon on the output. Then you can see all your outputs for that you're streaming to all your output. You can add more outputs here. Click on stream, and these are the platforms you can stream to: Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Trevo, X, Kick. Other services here. As long as the stream URL and stream key, you can stream using the Aitum Multistream to many platforms as needed. So for YouTube now, we're going to add and click on YouTube. Let's try YouTube in. And for YouTube, this is the server. You know, in YouTube you have backup server, you have the main server. We're using the main primary source server for now. Then to copy the stream key, I go to my YouTube account. We know how to stream to YouTube already. In your YouTube account, you go to create and go live. Then you copy your stream key here. YouTube changed their interface some months back, so the stream key is now at the top over there. Copy the stream key, go to your Aitum Multistream settings, paste it, and then you see it here, YouTube output. You can edit the canvas also. I'm just going to remove all this quickly. You can edit the canvas. If you don't want it from the main encoder, you can change your encoder setting to the one you want, but I prefer my main encoder for my OBS setting, so I'm going to leave that there. Go to add input, add Facebook, and this time around we're going to go to my Facebook page, Extensive. By the way, you can follow me on Facebook, Extensive. The Facebook page, you'll see live video, and then set up live video. So you set it up, streaming software, put in your title description, save it. I can make this persistent stream key so it doesn't always change the stream key. I can just make it one permanent stream key. Sometimes I have to live stream, I don't need to go back to recopy the stream key, so always be there permanently. Then copy it, go to my OBS and paste it there. You can see it there now. YouTube and Facebook. You can add more, so Twitch, TikTok, Trevo, X, other platforms. This is server, paste in the server, the URL, and then the stream key, and then you can live stream to it. Also, to live stream to TikTok without the TikTok live studio, you need to submit an appeal. Yes, you need to submit an appeal in case you want to use Restream or Stream Elements or YOLO Live or this Aitum Multistream. You can submit an appeal that, okay, yes, you have a big community. You can put screenshot of your YouTube or your Facebook or any other page that belongs to you, just so that yes, I actually needs to do this. And then after 24 hours or 48 hours, they will approve of it, and then you can live stream using the stream key, stream URL, without using the TikTok live studio. Then you can also record on it. I can put in my recording part. Okay, I have a drive here. I'm just going to put in my recording part, and then set the recording format, and you can also automatically split it that every 5 seconds or every 10 minutes it splits the recording, just in case your light or you had power cut or something. You can turn on virtual camera, you can turn on different things over here also using the Aitum Multistream. Though you have it in your main output here, the built-in, everything built-in is here, and then your Aitum is also here. So you have your built-in stream, you have your built-in recording, your built-in backtrack and everything, and then you have the Aitum YouTube stream, Aitum, Facebook, and the rest like that. Then once you're connected to your Twitch, to your YouTube, to your Kick, through your streaming platforms, you can bring in the chat over here in OBS, so you can be watching as you are chatting with your people, chatting with your audience. You can also be watching the chat, replying to your audience also as they watch. Yes, so let me just make this the usual way we know it of bringing in my scene, my source. I make the control here, but I don't think I will need the controls anymore since I have the main output there. And that is all for the video on how to multi-stream using OBS. Thank you very much for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe, share to your family, to your loved one, to those who you know that this video will actually be helpful to. Please also subscribe to Extensive Hall. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Joseph Velasco Conmi. I'll see you in my next video.